1. Are you tired of your phone dying when you need it most? Meet the Anker PowerCore 20000mAh portable charger, your ultimate power solution. 2. This isn't just any power bank. With a massive 20,000 mAh capacity, it can charge an iPhone 6 or more times, keeping you powered for days. 3. What makes it truly stand out is Anker's exclusive PowerIQ technology, intelligently optimizing charging speed for any connected device, ensuring the fastest possible charge every time. 4. Plus, with dual USB ports, you can conveniently power up 2 devices simultaneously, perfect for sharing with a friend or charging your phone and tablet at once. 5. Whether you're a heavy phone user, a frequent traveler, or just need reliable backup power for emergencies, the PowerCore 20000 mAh is an essential piece of tech for 2025. 6. Forget slow generic chargers. This Anker power bank provides peace of mind with its superior build quality, advanced smart charging, and renowned Anker reliability. 7. If you're actively looking for the best portable charger or considering an electronics upgrade, this device delivers unmatched performance and incredible convenience. 8. Ready to stop worrying about low battery? You can find the Amazon link to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20000 right in the description below. 9. It's the smart, powerful, and utterly reliable way to ensure your devices are always charged and ready to go. 10. Don't miss out on this incredible charging solution. I highly recommend adding the Anker PowerCore 20000 to your everyday carry today.